Did you know some factories produce thousands of bicycles every single day?
All with precision that humans alone cannot match. Welcome inside a high-tech bicycle factory,
where innovation powers the cycling industry. Traditional bicycle manufacturing relied heavily on manual labor. Consistency was difficult to maintain. Production speed struggled to meet demand. The industry needed innovation.
Interving port, en voor het best op de rest der terrasbouwing vertillersvik.
And technology delivered the solution. Robots now weld frames with perfect accuracy. Advanced machines craft every component.
Data ensures efficiency at every step.
This is the heart of modern bicycle production. A complete bicycle assembled in minutes.
Every bike is tested for safety and performance.
High-tech manufacturing is shaping the future of cycling.
Which bicycle technology impressed you most? Comment below and watch our next innovation video.